Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So y'all, I was blessed with the opportunity to go to YouTube Black's Creator Day. I was invited to YouTube Black. Oh my goodness, it's because of y'all. They contacted me, so I had to go. It was in Atlanta, and I was able to meet a lot of known YouTubers, and some of them, you know, they from TikTok, which was over on, they do TikTok and YouTube. But y'all, oh my goodness, it was an amazing experience. And I was able to see Amanda Seals, De'Ara Taylor. Like, I didn't think I was gonna ever see De'Ara Taylor. It was funny, but she's pretty dope. Like, they gave us so much insight on growing our YouTube platform and knowing our worth on as influencers and everything, and staying true to yourself, all of that. So, like, man, like, y'all, thank y'all. It's because of y'all, man, that I was able to get this. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. So y'all, this is my first time ever doing a male client Silkpress, and I had to record. Y'all, I had to record this. I wish I would have did it before when he first came in, because y'all, his hair, it really needed a shampoo, and it had a lot of shedding. And after I did a thorough detangle, everything, his curls look so beautiful. Like, it's just so beautiful. Y'all, excuse the background. I'm at work. I'm in the back at work recording, so gotta do what I gotta do. But anyway, but it was a very cool experience. I had to make sure I didn't make him look feminine with it, because he, you know, he had a masculinity to it, or something, however you want to call it. But yeah, I had to make sure, you know, I had to silk him out but make it look like him. So he gave me a picture that he wanted his hair to look like, and it's Snoop Dogg. So it's gonna be dope, y'all. But yeah, like, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. And yeah, oh yeah, y'all, so thank y'all so much for coming. The one under the video that I did about would you, or how you feel about the silk presses and relaxers, like your personal preference, I really appreciate y'all for putting y'all input on it. And I just love watching and looking at the comments and all the different opinions. It was amazing to me. So I appreciate y'all for that. And yes, I noticed in a lot of people was commenting about relaxers potentially causing cancer. So yes, I will be doing a video. Most likely that'll be my next video. I wanted that to be this video, but as I was researching, I saw a lot of information that y'all will be surprised and wowed about. Like, oh my goodness. And it's not just about relaxers, it's about presses too. So y'all stay tuned about that, y'all. I got some tea for y'all on that. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Long live
Yeah.
I
These are my memoirs. Light up a cigar, smoke up the memories as I sit and dust them off. Why do people say it's just to piss you off? Ignore them, no call button, and then dress too par. Now they can't test the gods, had to defy the odds. It only get tougher back then, we thought times was hard. Told them don't write me off, told her don't type at all. To all the ones that gave up, this a reply to y'all. That wavy haired kid that you knew, been on a tear since. The cries was lower than the laughter, now that I'm hearing the praise for staying committed to something they played with. It was always about us, it's never about who's your favorite. Took my insecurities and made my future more secure. The way we moving, it's like we really been here before. The proof is in the progress from the year before. Furthermore, we wanted to further things more. They took another route, so what you think we kings for? No angel ever said, yo, who these wings for? Ain't no champion ever said, who these rings for? So don't question what God doing, who you live for. Start accepting who you are and what you do it for. Doing less, doing more, it's really either or. Meet them halfway when one close, here go another door. Here go your dreams, what you running for. Head full of steam, cause you want it, huh? But it's in your genes, you was born a star. Yeah, damn, we done came far. The blessings soon pay off. I don't get a day off. Feel like the playoffs, they like, when y'all gon' take off? Dale got laid off, now we focused on trademarks. We just making hits after hits, no aid off. Now they wanna eat off the same plate that I ate off. They really be brainwashed, I sold ain't for trade-offs. Listen to these verses, these are thoughts that I brainstorm. People do me wrong, but nowadays I just pray for them. I've been under pressure, you can't tell cause I stay calm. I need peace and quiet, all I hear is the rain falls. Now all I see is green like my name was Draymond. ISO the brand and you know we gon' rain on. Shout out to the fans from the jump that stayed on. Rolling every hour of the day till the pain gone. Now every time we drop, yeah, they know that is napalms. ISO. Wave. Me on the beat too. Look, yeah. Okay. I pull up you deep on my niggas, consider it's pivotal. Trap through the app, make her clap it, don't cap it, she tapping it fast. I think that you know they be catching it. Standing 6 feet up, casting a shadow on niggas that talk like they bad it. They know that we got it, they talk far from actual. I make the wave so tsunami, I dare you to paddle it. The trunk steady rattling. Blowing top tier to keep my thoughts clear. I see the optin' there, I'm on my shot, call it big bar shit. I never know the time, I'm never clocking in. Wildflower, I'm like Denzel, I've been the man on fire, bitch, I'm hot lava. You are not scarred, you are proudly. I'm a real nigga to the coffin still. Heart chill from all this talking real. Recent life feel like a highlight reel. Curly thumbing through currency, I'm from the avenue, bitch, I'ma get it regardless. I told little baby to slide with that lotus, pull up with the garden. My guard is down till you come around, trying to hold you some. Give a fuck how you feel, I don't owe you nothing. Now you trying to make amends, I'm just trying to get the fortunes. Trying to cut my mama fortress. Pop might pull up in a Porsche. I used to be quiet, was timid. They used to catch me skipping courses. Now they snap a nigga portrait. Hard head but never forced it. I got a pin it shine like it's supposed to. The way I deliver they pose to. My neck got a compass to know where we going. It sound like I'm stepping through portals. I'm off of that poison the devil be calling, but I just ignore it, hit for it. The task force told me go up. Okay, yeah, you asked for it.
So y'all, I tried to get as close as I could. And he wanted a middle part instead of the no parter like Snoop Dogg got, but he kind of wanted a center part and, you know, kind of his own way. So to me, he was like Bone Thug. So y'all check it out.
Had some people try to snake if I see you, I'm teed up, I greet you with brass hands. Skate off fast, put a buck on the dash to somewhere vast. Hold my feet up, wait, hold up the label, just call me the tabbing. They just cut the check, so I'm up in the slip. I take for J to the neck, then I stretch. To start my day, I hit the cash dance. Niggas is different now, I was down then, but that's all in the past tense. So I can't stop shit till I'm top 10, and I'm not 10. I'm so in love with the process. Not all in the day, but it took them some time to build Rome. I just copped the crib, never home. No, I can't keep a charge on the phone. So she thinks she in love with a ghost. When I'm home, I make sure that she get what she needs, so she know what I'm capable of. Know my rhythm, cause spar with the pros. They pay me to hear what I'm on, they ask what I'm on. I'm doing great, I suppose. Cause I get to do what I want, it's legit, but it sound like it's straight from the stove. They playing my tape in the field and they treat me like I'm making plays in the fourth. Know the beat bang with a force.